Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to recover your Instagram account without email or phone number. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your Instagram. Now you want to go to the login page. Go ahead to the login page and you want to go ahead and click forgot password. Go ahead and click forgot password. You want to go ahead and click cannot use email. It'll take you to account to the help center. You want to go ahead and select how you cannot access the account. They'll tell you that you need to verify with your phone number, and you want to go ahead and click that it was not helpful. They give you a tab where you will write down the specific problem and it will be sent to the support team. So you're going to write that you cannot access your email or your phone number. Now when they contact you, you should have some way to verify your identity. So you should have your ID or your driver's license or maybe your student ID, and they will help you. So you go ahead and you send it, and that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.